Oh my god, the weather is so nice! Hey guys, how y'all doing? I hope you're doing fine amidst this COVID-19 issue. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to stay at home. Now I know the weather is really nice and it's finally spring and we've been enduring winter for the longest time. So for all the British people out there that is staying at home despite this brilliant weather, I say kudos! You are doing the world a favor. So first up, you can play some board games to make yourself not bored at home. And this is Catan. We love Catan. This is a game that makes or breaks relationships. Yeah, play Catan. But if you're alone, you can choose to play a video game on your PC or on the screen instead. You can cook, and then we can eat. Ta 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 ta. You can also learn something new like playing the guitar. You can work out. Don't get overexcited, guys. This is just a warm-up.
If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you.
And finally, you can read a book. You can read it while laying down on the couch, when you're sitting down, or when you're standing up. So that's it. Hopefully this is gonna help you stay at home without going out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose the adventure. Don't forget us.
Love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.